Students, in last lecture we have to see basic concepts of factors. This basic concept we have to see that quantity, meaningful factor, in collinear vectors, coplanar vectors, types of factors, zero vector and any other ways. In this lecture we have start exercise number 5.1. Example number 1. Show that the following points are collinear. Write down example. Show that the following points are collinear. We have given points A 3 2 minus 4, B 9 8 minus 10, and C minus 2 minus 3 minus plus 1. We have to show these 3 points are collinear. Solution: if factor A, B and C are position factors of the points. Write down solution. If factor A, B and C are the position factors of the points A, B and C, that is A, B, C are the points and this A, B, C are the position vectors of these points A, B and C. Then we have to write factor A is on factor point A, that is factor A is equal to 3i plus 2j minus 4k, where I, j, k are the unit vectors. Then factor B is equal to this point 9i plus 8j minus 4k. Factor C is equal to this point minus 2i minus 3j plus k. Then we know the definition of the position factors. Factor AB is equal to factor B minus factor A. Then we have to write factor B 9i plus 8j minus 4k minus factor A factor 3i plus 2j minus 4k is equal to 6i plus 6j minus 6k. Therefore factor AB is equal to 6. Take common in bracket I plus j minus k, that is the factor AB. Factor AB. Next we have to calculate factor AC, that is by the position factor C minus A. Then write factor C. Factor C is minus 2i minus 3j plus k in bracket minus 2i minus 3j plus k. We have to write factor C minus factor A. Minus factor A is 3i plus 2j minus 4k. Then we have to take subtraction of these two factors. Given minus 5i minus 5j plus 5k, that is factor AC is equal to, take minus 5 as common, bracket I plus j minus k. Now we have to compare these two factors. Factor AB is equal to 6 in bracket I plus j minus k. Factor AC is equal to minus 5 in bracket I plus j minus k. Therefore factor AC is equal to minus 5 into factor AB by 6. I, j, k, I plus j minus k, I plus j minus k equal. Therefore we have to write factor AC is equal to minus 5 into factor AB by 6. That is factor AC is equal to minus 5 by 6 into factor AB. Therefore factor AC and factor AB, factor AC is a scalar multiple of factor AB. Factor AC is a scalar multiple. It is minus 5 by 6 is, this term is scalar multiple. This term is scalar multiple. We know the definition of collinear factors. We have to given two factors, factor A and factor B. These are collinear. Then factor A is equal to scalar multiple into factor B. That is, therefore we have to know the factor A and factor B are collinear factors. Of this type, factor AC is a scalar multiple of factor AB, where scalar is minus 5 by 6. Therefore, AC and AB are collinear to each other. Therefore, factor AC and factor AB are collinear. The point A is common of these two factors. This point A is common of these two factors, vector AC and vector AB. Their vector AB and vector AC lie on the same line because point A is common of these two vectors. Therefore, vector AC and vector AB lie on the same line. Vector AB and AC lie on the same line. Therefore, vector AB and vector AC are collinear. Therefore, point A, B and C are collinear. Therefore, the point A, B and C are collinear of the definition of collinears. For this example, we have to see vector point A, B and C are collinear of this type. Next example, show that the following points are collinear. Next example, show that the following points are collinear. Point given: A 4, 5, 2, B 3, 2, 4 and C 5, 8, 0. We have to given 3 points and we have to show that the points A, B, C are collinear. We have to see above example to solve of this type. Similarly, to solve this example on exercise number. Next example number 3. The factor 2i minus qj plus 3k and 4i minus 5j plus 6k are collinear. Find the value of q. We have given two factors. These two factors are collinear. That is, collinear means one factor is equal to scalar into another vector. It is collinear factors. Then we have to find the value of q. Let factor A is equal to 2i. We have to put factor A is equal to 2i minus qj plus 3k and factor B is equal to second factor 4i minus 5j plus 6k. As factor A and B are collinear, we have given in example factor A and B are collinear factors. There is a scalar t such that factor A and B are collinear factors. Therefore, there exists a scalar t such that factor B is equal to t into factor A. We know the definition of collinear factors. Factor B is equal to t into factor A. Therefore, we have to put the value of factor B 4i minus 5j plus 6k. We have to write factor B 4i minus 5j plus 6k is equal to t is a scalar into factor A 2i minus qj plus 3k. Using equality of two factors, then this 2t is equal to 4. Solve this bracket. We will write 2ti minus qtj plus 3tk. Therefore, using coefficients of I 4, this 4, this I 2t, that is 2t is equal to 4. Next, j चा coefficient -5. We have to write -5. In this side j का coefficient minus qt. Therefore minus qt is equal to -5. Third, k चा coefficient 3t. या ठिकाणी k चा coefficient 6. That is 3t is equal to 6. Therefore t is equal to 2. T is equal to 5 by q and t is equal to 2. Therefore q is equal to 5 by 2. Therefore q is equal to 5 by 2 is the value. Next, example number 3. Next example number 3. Similarly, we have to solve example number 3 at home. Next, we have to see the example number 4. Example number 4. Write down. Check whether the factor 4i plus 13j minus 18k is a linear combination of, this factor is a linear combination of the factors I minus 2j plus 3k and 2i plus 3j minus 4k. लक्षात एक फॅक्टर दिलेला आहे आपल्याला. दिस हा फॅक्टर काय करायचा आहे, लिनियर कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ दिस टू वेक्टर्स दाखवायचा आहे. हा जो वेक्टर दिला आहे पहिला 4i plus 13j minus 18k, that is r vector is a linear combination of vector a, I plus 2j minus 2j plus 3k and 2i plus 3j linear combination दाखवायचा. Therefore write solution. Let we have to given this factor r 4i plus 13j minus 8k. This is r vector. Vector a given two vectors. First is a, I minus 2j plus 3k. Second vector b, 2i plus 3j minus 4k. Then linear combination we know. Factor r is equal to t1 vector a plus t2 vector b. t1 and t2 are scalar multiples. We know t1 as of type t. Here t1 and t2 are two scalars. t1 and t2 are two scalars. Therefore we write linear combination. We know r is equal to t1 vector a plus t2 vector b. We have put the value of r, vector r, 4i plus 13j minus 18k is equal to scalar multiple t1 as it is. We have to put the value of factor a in this bracket, I minus 2j plus 3k plus t2 scalar multiple or scalar as it is, factor b 2i plus 3j minus 4k. We have to solve these brackets and take common I, j, k unit vectors. To solve these brackets and take common the unit vectors I, j, k, because in LHS we know 4i plus 13j minus 18k is a factor. Therefore we have to take the commons I, j and k. That is right. First bracket t1 plus 2t2 bracket complete, I plus minus t1 plus 3t2 bracket complete, j plus 3t1 minus 4t2 bracket complete, k. Equating the coefficients of I, j, k both sides. LHS side 4i plus 13j minus 18k. These are factors. Therefore, equating LHS and RHS coefficients of I, j, k. Therefore, this is the coefficients of in LHS. The coefficients of I is 4 is equal to. In RHS, the coefficient of I is t1 plus 2t2. Equation number 1. Next, in LHS, coefficient of J is 13 is equal to RHS, the coefficient of J is minus 2T1 plus 3T2, equation number 2. In LHS, the coefficient of factor K is minus 18 and RHS, the coefficient of factor K is 3T1 minus 4T2, equation number 3. Therefore, we have to solve these three equations, linear equations. We get तीन जर इक्वेशन सोडवले आपण लिनियर इक्वेशन्स आहेत ना. We have to solve these three linear equations. We get T1 is equal to minus 2 and T2 is equal to 3. Then we know the linear combination of the equation, this equation, linear combination. We have to write T1 as minus 2, T2 as 3. Therefore, factor R is equal to minus 2 factor A plus 3 factor B is a linear combination of factor A and B. We have to give one factor A is first factor, factor B is second factor. That is, factor R is a linear combination of factor A and factor B. Right? We have to calculate the linear combination of factors, two factors. Linear combination of two factors. Next, example number 5. Next, example number 5. Example number 5. If I plus j plus k factors, unit factors आहेत ना. Second, I minus j plus k, and third, 2i plus 3j plus mk are coplanar. We have to given three factors: I plus j plus k, I minus j plus k, and 2i plus 3j plus mk are coplanar. Then find m. We have to given in this example three factors. Factor A, B, and C are coplanar. Then we have to find the value of m. We have to find the value of m. Then solution. Let we have to take first factor A, I plus j plus k. Second factor B, I plus minus j plus k, and factor C, 2i plus 3j plus mk. These are three vectors. These three vectors are coplanar. That is, the definition of coplanar is factor C is equal to T1 factor A plus T2 factor B. That is the definition of coplanar factors. Factor C is equal to T1 factor A plus T2 factor B. Then we have to put the value of factor C, 2i plus 3j plus mk is equal to scalar T1 in bracket factor A, I plus j plus k plus scalar T2 in bracket factor B, I minus j plus k. Then we have to solve these two brackets and take I, j, k as common. Then we have to get LHS 2i plus 3j plus mk is equal to T1 plus T2 I out the bracket plus in bracket T1 minus T2 outside factor j plus in bracket T1 plus T2 outside factor k. For these two factors on LHS and RHS, for these two factors LHS and RHS, equating of two factors LHS and RHS, we have to get 2 is equal to coefficients of I is 2, LHS, RHS T1 plus T2, equation number 1. Next, coefficient of j 3 and coefficient of j is t1 minus t2, equation number 2. Next, coefficient of k is m and coefficient of k factor k is t1 plus t2. To solve equation 1, 2 and 3, m is equal to 2. To solve equation 1, 2 and 3, we have to get m is equal to, and we have to calculate the value of m. We have to calculate the value of m, or the equation number 1 and 3. We have to show these two equations. Equation 1 and 3, LHS is 2, RHS T1 plus T2. LHS is m, RHS is T1 plus T2. From these two equations, we have to get T1 plus T2 is equal to T1 plus T2 is equal to m is equal to 2. Then m is equal to 2. Next, of this type, we have to give one solution of हेच एक्झाम्पल आपण दुसऱ्या टाईपनं पण सोडू शकतो. वी हॅव टू गिव्हन 3 वेक्टर्स. वेक्टर ए इज इक्वल टू I plus j plus k. Vector b is equal to I minus j plus k, and vector c is equal to 2I plus 3j plus mk. Then these three vectors are coplanar. These three vectors are coplanar. Therefore, determinant of these three vectors is 0. Determinants of these three vectors is equal to 0. That is 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 1, and 2, 3, m. We have to solve this determinant as 1 as it is in bracket minus m minus 3 plus minus 1. Next, m minus 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2 is equal to 0, is equal to minus m minus 3 minus m plus 2 and plus 5 is equal to 0. That is minus 2m minus 3 plus 7 to 0. That is minus 2m plus 4 is equal to 0. That is equal to minus 2m is equal to minus 4. That is m is equal to 2. This type we have to solve this example. Which example? If I plus j plus k and I minus j plus k and 2I plus 3j minus plus mk are coplanar, then find the value of m. जर 3 फॅक्टर्स कोप्लेनर दिले असतील आणि एक व्हॅल्यू जर विचारली असेल तर आपण डिटरमिनंट इज इक्वल टू 0 घेऊन ती व्हॅल्यू काढ. दोन्ही टाईपनं आपल्याला एक्झाम्पल सोडवू देतो. तो थांबू या ठिकाणी. पहा, तुम्हाला दिलेला एक एक्झाम्पल ते सोडवायचं आहे. पहा एक्झाम्पल, शो द फॉलोइंग पॉइंट्स आर co-linear. A is equal to 5 to 4, 5, 2, B is equal to 3 to 4 and C is equal to 5, 8, 0. थांबू आपण या ठिकाणी.